Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I'm reacting to Dave Rain Dance featuring Thames from Nigeria. Okay, it doesn't get better than this. Dave, rapper, famous rapper from the UK. I haven't reacted to any other music outside African music, so here we are. You are in luck, okay? Today we are doing that. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.
Let's get the party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was scarring. Friends to lovers need a part to star in. Like, wait, babe, let me ask your pardon. This ain't Gucci, this is Prada, darling. If you want something, you can ask me, darling. And you started laughing, cause you think I'm joking. But looking in your eyes, that's the best thing. Bright lights giving you the red skin. You was in a bad mood when we stepped in. Though you checked out before we even checked in. On the phone, you gon' vent to your best friend, the one who gave me the lecture. But I ain't gon' sweat you, babe, I'm a lecture. Catch up with your boy, undress you, and let me tell you why I'm a blessing.
The way my mind falling away in my heart, I know you feel the same when you're with me. You know I'm all you need. You're where I wanna be, my darling. Can't you see?
Yo, big up to Thames, man. Like, she has range. I feel like she has sang with pretty much every artist in the world. Now, especially in the, like, she has songs with artists from America and, like, she can adapt. It's just beautiful. Like, yeah. And this video, obviously, from a big artist, the video is very artistic. It's kind of like, it has a feel to it. You know what I mean? Like,
Telling to you, say you want me in the mood. Tryna hide my feelings for you. Don't wanna argue, not with you. Tell me why you're so in denial. Hold me close, don't tell me goodnight. Are you down to get me? Tell me when you're ready. I'm ready.
We can get into it, and we can get intimate. The shower when you singing it, better than Beyonce. I like the sound of Beyonce. You know it's got a little ring to it, and really when I think of it, growing up I didn't ever see marriages. No weddings, no horse, no carriages. I wanna do things different and change the narrative. God knows you are a wild child, beautiful child. I need your help. Looking like you come from the 90s by yourself. My mum's 61 and her favorite line to tell her son is sometimes she wished that she had a girl. I wanna take you back to a time, back to a trip. You had that white wine that I never got to sip, and dinner wasn't ruined cause you never got the pick. I know that everybody tell me that I'm sick cause
The way my mind falling away in my heart, I know you feel the same when you're with me. You know I'm all you need. You're where I wanna be, my darling. Can't you see? I love me and you, never let me go.
that doesn't matter.
I tell you 2 times, me and you, never let me go. Me and you, tell me 2 times, me and you, never let me go. Me and you, tell me 2 times, me and you, never let me go. Me and you, tell me 2
I
times.
said lean with it, rock with it. Your finger, I could put a rock in it. Finger, I could put a rock in it. Bank card, they gon' put a block in it. Said rock with it, bounce with it. The left wrist, I could put my house in it. You wanna bet, babe, I could put my house in it. Paper, I could put my spouse in it. I said shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. 5'9", brown eyes, and she in the shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. 5'9", brown eyes, in it, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
I don't know why I'm smiling.
Shimmy, yeah. 5'9", brown eyes.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one. Dave and Thames, guys. I don't even know what to say, man. It's just like I cannot stop smiling. I don't know if it's the video, if it's the song. It's just beautiful stuff. Okay, so yeah, beautiful stuff. Thank you so much for watching this. Usually I have a lot to say about songs, but on this one, I think it speaks for itself. You know what I mean? Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side.